When working with WordPress, almost all of our interactions will be made through the WordPress dashboard. This is the interface that allows us to easily customize, extend, and control all the parts of WordPress. You can access the WordPress dashboard by going to your WordPress website and then in the address bar, add /wp-admin to the end of the address, and then log in. The dashboard consists of three main sections: the top toolbar, the navigation menu on the left, and then the main work area. The top toolbar and the navigation bar will remain the same on almost all pages of your WordPress dashboard, but the work area will change depending on what you're working on. Hovering over the WordPress logo will give you the official WordPress links where you can read the official documentation, get support, and submit feedback. Under My WordPress, you can visit site. This link will take you to the front end of your WordPress website as visitors would see it. This will indicate if you have any new notifications relating to comments. We have quick links here for creating new content or users. Some plugins you install on WordPress can add things to the top toolbar, navigation, and other parts of WordPress. That's what this Purge SG Cache button is. My website is hosted with SiteGround, and I have a few plugins that are installed by default, so this button won't be there for everyone. If I select Visit Site to take a look at my website, you'll see at the top here, the toolbar is still visible. This will only be shown if you are logged into the WordPress dashboard. It won't be shown to visitors. And a few of the options on the dashboard changed. The My WordPress links now will give you quick links to return to your dashboard or jump to other customization sections. At the end of the toolbar, we have our account links. We can edit our profile or log out. Let's have a look at editing our profile. Here, you can customize how the WordPress dashboard looks and works for you. Some of the options here won't make sense until after you've used WordPress for a little bit, so I suggest coming back later and refining your settings here over time. Some early settings you can customize though are options like the color scheme. You can choose what you like here. This toolbar option here is for the top toolbar. When we visited the front end of our website, the toolbar was still visible for us at the top. This is enabled by default. If you untick this option, then that toolbar won't show on the front end of your website for you either. The rest of the options here are mostly just your details and information. The navigation menu is what you will use most often when editing a website or your WordPress website. You'll use this to navigate between the different parts of WordPress that you want to customize. You can mouse over to see a drop-down of links. Most have additional links like this, but some, like the comments, don't. If you click directly on a link from the navigation, like Appearance here, it will load the page for the first link in the drop-down menu. So in this case, Themes. Clicking directly on Pages will load all pages. And Plugins will load installed plugins, and so on. On most pages in WordPress, you will have additional tabs in the top left like this. The Help tab will show you helpful information related to the page you are on. I am currently on the plugins page, so if I click this, it will show me information related to plugins. Screen options will appear when there are settings you can modify for that page. So for this plugins page, I can show or hide the description column, and I can change how many plugins are shown per page. If I go back to the homepage for our dashboard, this is the page you first see when you log into WordPress. So you probably want to customize this to better suit you. This Welcome to WordPress panel gives you links to common pages and information for WordPress. Once you have checked all these and you're finished with this, you can click the Dismiss here to remove it. As you install plugins, some plugins will give you helpful widgets and panels that you can use on the dashboard here. Some you will want to show and some you won't. You can select what shows on this page under the screen options. I don't want this WordPress events and news, so I can untick that. And now that no longer shows. You can change the order of the windows or boxes on this page by clicking and dragging the title bar and then just place that where you like. You can show and hide the contents of a box by clicking the title bar or the drop-down arrow. There aren't many boxes here to choose from at the moment, but as you install plugins for things like visitor analytics, you'll have the option to add boxes with statistics. Things like the most visited pages of your website, new users in the past week, and so on. If you're running an e-commerce website, you can set up to show things like sales reports, profit made this week, and other related information. Over time, you'll be able to customize this dashboard homepage to show you important and useful information about your website. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. To keep me motivated to make more free tutorials, please subscribe, like the video, and leave a friendly comment. And if you didn't like this video, no problem. Smash that dislike button, twice even, and let me know everything I did wrong in the comments. For more tutorials with WordPress and other website tutorials, check out thewebsiteteacher.com. I'll leave a link in the description below.